Assalamu alaikum. This is Shafiqul Islam from Shafiqul PPC. Okay, in this video, I am gonna show you how to set up YouTube video tracking in Ga4 with help of GTM. Okay, let's start the video first. So first of all, I need to go variables from GTM and configure the built-in variables from here. And I go to the section of video. Okay, the video section, I need to check on all these boxes, and this is okay. All is coming here. All the variables is configured, and then I need to create trigger. Go to trigger section and new trigger named here G4 video triggers. Okay, you can choose your you can give the name as you wish. So I select Ga4 YouTube video trigger. Okay, and then configure the trigger from here, from YouTube videos, and check these boxes and put the percentage, how many percent you want to track, you want to send in Ga4. I put 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. Okay, and don't forget to check this box, add JavaScript API support to all YouTube videos. Okay, and then I put checkbox, sorry, save change, and go to tag section for this trigger, configure this trigger with this new tag, and I go to tag and create a new tag and input a new name here, Ga4 YouTube video tag. Okay, click tag configuration. It must be Ga4 event, and then configure the code and event name should be video video and parameter. Okay, parameter is like variables from here. Okay, and otherwise you can select for another section, like I have analytics support. Just a minute. Okay. Okay, the parameter name I call from the Ga4 support. Okay, so copy this as it is and put the name here. It will be, if you make any mistake in this parameter name, your tag will not fire, because this parameter is determined by Ga4 authority. That's why I cannot make any change here. See, and v and title c v URL is visibility. Okay, now I need to call this current time. Okay, video current time is this one, video current time, and duration, this is duration, and then percentage, video percentage, and then next one is provider. Next one, title, URL, video URL, and last one is visibility. Okay, all set up. Now set up the trigger. How you fire this tag? Must be Ga4 YouTube video trigger. Okay, and save change. Okay, I need to submit this tag and triggers. If you want to give a name, you can put it here, but I don't put any name. And continue. Okay, 29%. And go to workspace. From workspace, I go to preview section, click the preview and connect the website. Not connected. Ready, connect, continue. Yeah, continue. See YouTube video and scroll left, both of them is not fire, but I go to my video is about section, about page. I scroll first, come here to the YouTube video. I don't click, but the scrolling should be fire now. Okay, fire ready. Variables 25%. See, okay, so still video tag is not fire, and then I click the video first. Okay, and I will pause this video, then status should be pause. Okay, okay, pause and go the video. It's YouTube video is fired here. Okay, check this variables is working or not. Video duration is 51. Provider YouTube percent is not coming here because it's a starting. Just click one. Okay, and video status start. See, start, title, URL, video visible is true, and this one is scroll left one. Okay, next one here should be 25%. Okay, 24%, not accurate. Okay, it's okay. So now I want to go to analytics section and check it out, video is fired or not. Yeah, video is fired. Scroll video and video. I go to here and video percentage should be 24. Provider YouTube, yes. Title, how I called preserved juice made. Check it out. Yeah, how is called preserved juice made. All is working. URL, YouTube URL, and visibility true. Okay, so that's all for this video. All is working fine. So thank you very much for watching this video, and keep subscribe my YouTube channel Tropical PPC for getting more updates. Thank you again.